day to our TV viewers.
Welcome to the news section.
Today is August 12, 2013.
I am Micah Evangelista.
And I'm Ethan Joshua.
Our headline for today is the unfinished road at JMJ subdivision.
Here is Sarah Dizan to tell us more about our news. Good day, Sarah.
Good day to you guys and to our televiewers also. We are here at JMJ subdivision, Abangan Norte, Marilao, Bulacan. And right here, you can see the unfinished road. It's been 6 to 7 years since they stopped constructing it. Here is a citizen. What can you say about unfinished road?
Ano yan? Mo. Oo, hindi. Maputik siya. Tapos hindi madaanan ng maayos. Lalo sa mga estudyante. Ano, nakasapatos yan. Ayun, sagapan yan. Sagapan lalo na pag tag-ulan.
What can you say about this?
Itong kalsada na dati, talagang mababa ito. Mga ilang beses na ito tinambakan Kaya tumaas ng ganito taas lang. Pero nakaplano na ito na pasimentohan. Hindi pa lang lumalabas yung budget. Itong kalsada na to, bali isa kasi ng DND Division. Ito yung Catalina Street. Wala din sa dulo na nandun sa dulo na Catalina Street.
Thank you, Sarah. And this is our news for today. Once again, this is News Action!
Does it look like I've got everything under control? I'm good at faking it. The ice is getting thin, but I'm the only one who knows. I'm only making it up on the way. Just play it cool and take it